Hello everyone. In last class we have discussed general form of AP, nth term of AP. General form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. If common difference is same for every time, A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. Common difference is same for every time given series form an AP. Common difference is not same. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, not an AP. Series is AP. Common difference is same for every time given series form an AP. Common difference is not same for every time given series form not an AP. Okay. Next, nth term of AP. Nth term of AP denoted by a letter is AN. Nth term of AP, AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us see some problems based on nth term of AP. First one, if A equal to 2, D equal to 3, n equal to 8, then find AN. Then find AN. If A equal to 2, D equal to 3, n equal to 8, given A equal to 2, D equal to 3, n equal to 8. We know that AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N here n value equal to 8, A8 equal to A plus A value is 2 plus n minus 1 and A here 8 n minus 1 equal to 8 minus 1 value 7 D. 7 here D value is 3, that equal to 2 plus 7 3 is 21, A8 equal to 23. 8th term of AP or AN equal to 23. If n equal to 8, AN equal to 23. Next, second one, if A equal to minus 18, D equal to n equal to 10, AN equal to 0. Given A equal to minus 18, D equal to question mark n equal to 10, AN equal to 0. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A10, here n value equal to 10, A10 equal to A plus A value is minus 18 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 value is 9 D. Okay, AN equal to 0 and here A10 0 equal to minus 18 plus 9D. 9D equal to 18, then D equal to 18 by 9, that equal to 2. A equal to minus 18, D equal to how much? N equal to 10, AN equal to 0. AN value 0, AN here n equal to 10, A10 equal to minus 18 plus 9D, A10 value equal to 0, 0 equal to minus 18 plus 9D, then 9D equal to 18, D equal to 2. Next, if A comma B comma C are in AP, then B is called arithmetic mean of A and C. B is called arithmetic mean of A and C. Given A, B, C are in AP, A, B, C are in AP. Here A1 equal to first term equal to A, A2 equal to B, A3 equal to C. Next, the relation between A, B, C, A2 minus A1, common difference is same for every time in AP, A2 minus A1, here A2 minus A1, A2 value is the B, A1 value is A, B minus A equal to C minus B. Common difference is same for every time. Next, B plus B equal to A plus C, then 2B equal to A plus C, B equal to A plus C by 2. If A, B, C are in AP, then B is called arithmetic mean of A and C, then B equal to A plus C by 2. Next sum, let us see next sum. If A1 equal to 5, A4 equal to 9 and 1 by 2, then find A2 and A3. Then find A2 and A3. If A1 equal to 5, A4 equal to 9, 1 by 2, 9 and 1 by 2. Given A1 equal to first term in AP, A1 denoted by A, first term denoted by letter A equal to 5, then A equal to 5. We have to find A and D. We can write easily any term in AP. Next, given A4 equal to 9 and 1 by 2, A4 equal to A plus 3D, A plus 3D equal to 9 1 by 2, mixed fraction change 9 2 are 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Substitute A, this is equation 1, substitute A equal to 5 in equation 1. 5 plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. 3D equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. 3D equal to 19 minus 10 by 2. 3D equal to 9 by 2. D equal to 9 by 2 into 3. 3 table 9 in 3 times. Then D equal to 3 by 2. D equal to 3 by 2. Next we can write easily A2 equal to, A2 relation is A plus D. Here A value is 5. A value is 5, D value 3 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2. 5 plus 3 by 2 value, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Next, A3 equal to, we know that A3 equal to A2 plus D, A2 plus D or A plus 2D. A2 plus D, A2 value is 13 by 2 plus D value is 3 by 2, that equal to 16 by 2. 16 by 2. Okay. Next. Next, let us see another model. If A2 equal to 38 and A6 equal to minus 22, find AP. Find AP. Given A2 equal to 38 and A6 equal to minus 22. A2 relation, A2 equal to A plus D equal to 38. This is equation 1. Next, A6 can be written as A plus 5D equal to minus 22. First we have to find A and D. We can write AP. This is equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 or equation 1 minus equation 2. Here equation 2, A plus 5D equal to minus 22, A plus D equal to 38. Plus A minus cancel. 5D minus D is 4D, that equal to minus 22 minus 38 is minus 60. D equal to minus 60 by 4, that equal to minus 15. Substitute D equal to minus 15 in equation 1 or 2. In equation 1, A D value here, D value is minus 15, A plus of minus 15 equal to 38. A equal to 38 plus 15, that equal to 53. A value is 53. In AP, first term A1 equal to A equal to 53. Second term A2 equal to A plus, second term, we know that second term equal to 38. Next, third term A2 plus D. Here A2 value is 38. 38 plus D. D value is minus 15. 38 minus 15. That equal to 38 minus 10. 28. 28 minus 5. 23. Next, A4. A4 equal to A3 plus D. Here A3 value 23 minus D value is 15, that equal to 8. Next, A5 equal to A4 plus D, that equal to A4 value is 8 minus 15, that equal to minus 7. Therefore, AP is 53, 38, 23, 8 minus 7 and so on. Next, let us see another example. Which term of AP, which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on is 78. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on 78. Let nth term of AP equal to 78. First we can write, we have A1 equals, given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Okay, first term equal to A equal to 3. Next, common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, that equal to 5. D equal to 5. Next, let nth term equal to 78. Let nth term equal to 78. Nth term denoted by an equal to 78. We know that an formula a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 78. A value is 3 plus n minus 1 into, here d value is 5 equal to 78. Next, n minus 1 into 5 equal to 78 minus 3. 78 minus 3. n minus 1 into 5 equal to 78 minus 3 is 75. n minus 1 equal to 75 by 5. n minus 1 equal to 15. 75 by 5 equal to 15. n equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term of AP is 16th term of AP is 78. In AP, first given AP 3, 8, 13, 18, first term equal to 3. First we have to find A and 3, A and D. A equal to 3, D equal to 5. Next 70, let nth term equal to 78. Therefore, n equal to 16. 16 term in AP is 78. Next sum, find number of terms, find number of terms in given AP. Given AP 18, 15 and 1 by 2, 13, and so on, minus 47. Given AP is finite AP. Finite AP, find number of terms in given AP. Let number of terms in given AP is n. Okay. An last term equal to An equal to minus 47. Here A equal to 18, D equal to 15 and 1 by 2 minus 18. First, given AP is 18, 15 and 1 by 2, 13, and so on, minus 47, last term. First we have to write first term and common difference. Here first term A equal to 18. First term A equal to 18. Next D equal to second term minus first term 15 and 1 by 2 minus 18. 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18, that equal to 31 minus 18, 2s are 36, 36 by 2. 31 minus 36 minus 5 by 2. Here D equal to common difference equal to minus 5 by 2. Next, last term equal to minus 47. Let number of terms in AP equal to n. Let number of terms in AP equal to n. Let last term an equal to minus first term, second term, third term, last term, nth term an equal to minus 47. We know that an formula a plus n minus 1 into d, that equal to minus 47. Here a value is 18 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 47. n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 47 minus 18. n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 47 minus 18. 47 plus 10 minus 57, minus 57 plus 8 minus 65. Next, n minus 1 equal to minus 65 into 5 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. That equal to 5 table 65 13 times minus into minus plus 13 2 jar 26. N minus 1 equal to 26. Therefore, n equal to 27. Therefore, number of terms in given AP is 27 terms. 27. Number of terms in given AP 27. Last term 27th term is minus 47. Now let us see another model, important sum. For what value of n? For what value of n? N are the nth terms are equal. Are the nth terms are equal? Nth terms are equal. Nth terms of 2 APs, nth terms of 2 APs 63 comma 65 comma 67 and so on, and 3 comma 10 comma 17 and so on are equal. For what value of n? The nth terms of given 2 APs are equal. The nth terms of given 2 APs are equal. First, give first in first AP 63 comma 65 comma 67 and so on. In first AP, first we can write nth term of AP. Okay, first term equal to A equal to 63, D equal to second term minus first term 65 minus 63, that equal to 2. Here D value equal to 2, A value equal to 63. The nth term of first AP, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A value is 63 plus n minus 1 into, here D value equal to 2. 63 plus 2n minus 2, that equal to 63 minus 2 equal to 61 plus 2n. This is nth term of first AP. Next, in second AP 3 comma 10 comma 17 and so on. First we have to write first term A equal to 3 and D equal to 10 minus 3, that equal to 7. D equal to 7. Then nth term of second AP, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A value equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 7. That equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7, that equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 plus 7n. This is nth term of second AP. As per the problem, in 2 APs nth terms are equal. In 2 APs nth terms are equal. As per the problem, nth terms are equal. Here first AP nth term is 61 plus 2n. In second AP nth term is minus 4 plus 7n. Okay, 2n minus 7n equal to minus 4 minus 61. 2n minus 7n equal to minus 5n that equal to minus 65, then n equal to minus 65 by minus 5, that equal to minus minus cancel, 65 by 5 value is 13. Therefore, in 2 APs, and 13th terms are equal. 13th terms are equal. This is one of the important sum. Okay, for what value of n? When nth terms of 2 APs are equal. First AP, first we take first AP, right, nth term of first AP, next second AP, nth term of second AP, as per the problem, nth terms are equal. Therefore, in 2 APs, 13 terms are equal. Next another example, the sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of the sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find first three terms of AP. Given the sum of 4th and 8th terms of AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th terms of AP is 44, then write first three terms of AP. Solution: given the sum of 4th and 8th terms, A4 plus given fourth term plus 8th term equal to 24. We know that A4 formula A plus 3D plus A8 is A plus 7D equal to 24. A4 equal to A plus 3D, A8 equal to A plus 7D. A plus A 2A plus 3D plus 7D 10D equal to 24. 2 table cancel both sides. A plus 5D equal to 12. This is equation 1. Now, second condition, the sum of 6th term and 10th terms is 44 and the sum of 6th term A6 plus A10 equal to 44. A6 formula is A plus 5D plus A10 formula A plus 9D equal to 44. Here A plus A 2A plus 9 plus 5 14D equal to 44. Both sides 2 table cancel. A plus 7D equal to 22. This is equation 2. First we have to find A and D. Next we can write easily AP. Equation 2 minus equation 1 or equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. A plus 7D equal to 22. A plus 5D equal to 12. A cancel, 7 minus 5, 2D equal to 22 minus 12, 10. Then D equal to 10 by 2, 5. D equal to 5. Substitute D equal to 5 in equation 1 or equation 2. Substitute D equal to 5 in equation 1. A plus 5D, 5 is at 25, 5 into 5, D value equal to 5 equal to 12. A plus 25 equal to 12, then A equal to 12 minus 25, 12 minus 25, A equal to minus 13. A equal to minus 13, D equal to 5. Then AP first term A1 equal to, first term A1 equal to, A equal to minus 13. Second term equal to A2 equal to A plus D. Here A value is minus 13, D value is 5, that equal to minus 8. Next, A3 equal to, we know that A3 formula A2 plus D or A plus 2D, A2 plus D, that equal to minus 8 plus 5, that equal to minus 3. Okay, therefore, first three terms in AP is minus 13, minus 18, minus 3. Okay, first the sum of 4 term 8 term is 24. That means A4 plus A8 equal to 24, A plus 5D equal to 12. Next condition is the sum of 6th term and 10th term, A6 plus A10 equal to 44, that equal to A plus 7D equal to 22. Next we can find, we have to find D and A. Next AP. Next we write AP, first term A1 equal to A2. A2 formula is A plus D, A3 formula is A2 plus D, or A3 equal to A plus 2D. Okay, A3 equal to A2 plus D. First three terms of AP is minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Hope you all understood. Okay, let us continue this session in next class.